Namaste to all. Welcome to this online classes. So in previous classes we discussed the problems based on the allied angles. Okay. So today's class let us start with the compound angles or sum of the angles. Okay. We know how to define cos x, cos y, sin x, sin y, and so on. Okay. So what exactly is the cos of x plus y? Okay. There is a derivation. We need to prove that. Okay, so cos of x plus y is equals to, that means here x and y are angles, their sum is x plus y. So then cos of x plus y is equals to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, so we need to prove that cos of x plus y is equals to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So proof. So to prove this cos of x plus y, we need a unit circle. Unit circle means a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Okay. So I will consider a unit circle. Whose center is at the origin of the coordinate system. Okay. A unit circle whose center is at the origin of the coordinate system. That is, this one is O. And this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Here O is the center of the circle. OA. This is the point A. OA is the initial line. Okay. OA is the initial line. So this initial line rotates. Initial line rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Reaches the point B. Okay. Reaches the point B. So now angle between OA, that means initial line OA and OB, that is angle AOB is equals to, that is angle X. Maybe in degree or radian. Okay. So here angle made by initial line OA to get the terminal line OB is X radian or X degree. So then next, the line OB rotates again in anti-clockwise direction to get the point, that is to get the terminal line, that is OC. Okay. So then angle between, that is BOC. Angle BOC is equals to, so Y. Okay. So here we took X and Y are angles. So that here I am writing X and Y. Okay. If I take here A and B, just write down here A, B or any alphabet. So here angle made by the line OB with the OC is Y. Then next, the initial line OA rotates in clockwise direction. Initial line OA rotates in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means definitely angle is in negative. So reaches the point D. Okay. OA rotates in clockwise direction, reaches the point D. So this angle is same as the angle between BOC. Okay. So that this is also Y. But it rotating in and clockwise direction. So take negative sign. So that is -1. Okay. So this is the geometry. So here OA is initial line. It rotates to get a point OB in a clockwise direction, in an anti-clockwise direction. So the angle between AOB is X. Then next OB rotates anti-clockwise direction to reaches the point C. So the angle between B, that is angle BOC is equals to Y. So then next is OA initial line rotates in clockwise direction, reaches the point D. The angle AOD is -Y. So now my question is, so x plus y is there, correct? Na? So here AOB angle is X. Next BOC angle is Y. Then our question is angle between, that is angle AOC is equals to, that means this total angle. So this total angle means AOB is, that is X. BOC, that is Y, angle Y. So angle AOC is X this plus y. The total angle AOC is x plus y. So I will write here, or just I will differentiate angle AOC. Angle AOC is x plus y. Okay, angle AOC is x plus y. So we need to write this. So consider a unit circle. Consider a unit circle. Unit circle means a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Consider a unit circle with center at the origin. Okay, with the center at the origin of coordinate system. Now, from this diagram, from this geometry, so define angles. Okay, so let angle AOB. Let angle AOB, which is equals to x. Next, angle BOC is y. Angle BOC, which is equals to y. Then angle AOC is angle AOC, which is equals to x plus y. And then angle AOD. So angle AOD is, that is, minus y. Angle AOD, which is equals to minus 1. Okay, yes. And then next is, so here initial point, that is initial, this is the origin, OA is the initial line. Here A is a point on the circle, B is also point on the circle, C is also point on the circle, D is also. Okay. So then we need to write the coordinates of the point A, B, C, D. So what exactly the coordinates of this A, B and C and D? Okay, let us write. See, this is the unit circle. Okay, unit circle means and one thing is any point, that means arbitrary point on the circle can be represented by using cos function and sine function. In the first video, we know while proving sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, we used. Okay, so any point, any arbitrary point P, suppose this is this circle. Okay, any arbitrary point P on the unit, on a circle or a unit circle can be written as cos theta comma sin theta. Here theta is angle made by this line OP with the initial line. Okay, so any point P on the unit circle can be written as cos theta comma sin theta. Coordinates are cos theta comma sin theta. We know. Okay, here theta is angle between initial line and terminal line. Just remember the angle between initial line and terminal line. So then now, see here A is there, correct na? Point A. That means OA is the initial line. Then coordinates of A, how to write? So coordinates of A, see, there is no rotation at all. Initially there is no rotation. If there is no rotation, that means OA is overlapping with the OA. Correct na? There is no rotation. So 0 degree. For one complete rotation, 360 degree. Okay. So there is no rotation means 0 degree. Then so this can be written as C cos of 0 comma sin of 0. Generally cos of theta comma sin of theta, but here angle is 0 degree because there is no rotation. So OA there is no rotation. So that cos 0 comma sin 0. So which is equals to, so coordinates of the point A, cos 0 value 1, sin 0 0. So coordinates of the point A is 1 comma 0. Then next, coordinates of the point B. Okay, so it can be written as, see, the angle between initial line and terminal line, that is OB. Angle between OA and OB is x is a. So then the coordinates of the point B can be written as cos x comma sin x. Cos x comma sin x. So similarly, the angle between the coordinates of a point C can be written as, see, observe here. C is nothing but that is OC and OA. So angle between AOC, the angle AOC is x plus y. Then definitely angle between initial line OA and OC is x plus y. So that the coordinates of the point C can be written as cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Is it clear? It's very important. So in generally cos theta comma sin theta, theta is the angle between the initial line and terminal line. So here initial line is OA, terminal line is OC with respect to C. Okay, so that this angle is x plus y. So then I wrote here cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Similarly, the point D as the coordinates of the point D, that means angle between initial line OA and OD is minus y. Okay, so this can be written as cos of minus y comma sin of minus y. Okay, this is all about this geometry. From this geometry only I wrote all these things. First, consider a unit circle whose center is at the origin of the coordinate system, and define angles. That means angle between the OA, OB and OA, OC and B and C. Angle between OA and OD. Okay, and then coordinates of the point A, B, C, D. Okay, coordinates of the point A, B, C, D. How to write? So any point on the unit circle or circle can be written as the code in terms of a cos function and sin function. Any point, any arbitrary point P, so whose coordinates can be written as cos theta comma sin theta. Okay, here theta is the angle between initial line and terminal line. Okay, and this is all. Okay, here 0 is because of there is no rotation. That means initial and terminal line coincides. There is no rotation means it is in the rest. So there is no angle at all. So that take here in place of theta 0, cos 0 and sin 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So then next B is here point is there. That means angle between OA and OB. OB is the terminal line. Okay. So angle between OA and OB is that is x is there. Okay. Here also this is the x. So that coordinates of the point B cos x comma sin x. See, I will write again here. So coordinates of the point B cos x comma sin x. Okay. Next, here coordinates of the point A 1 comma 0. Next, coordinates of the point C cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Okay, and lastly that is D cos of minus y comma sin of minus y. So then next is, okay, this is all about the geometry. From this geometry and from these data we need to prove. Okay, yes. So before that I will construct or join lines. Okay, points. So I will join a B to D. That means BD. Okay, I will join a B to D. Okay. Before that, see B D. Then next C A. This is the just I joined the point B with the D and C with the A. and from this there is a geometry or there is a triangle in that. Okay, triangle, which triangle that is actually from this one, after joining BD, triangle BOD, is it right? Triangle BOD, and then here and triangle COA or AOC. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. What exactly? These two triangles are congruent. Triangle BOD and triangle COA. These two triangles are congruent. So when triangles are congruent, what actually? Sides are equal. Correct, na? So definitely here the length BD is same as length CA or AC. The distance between the point B to D is same as the distance between point C and A. So therefore that is BD is equals to CE. Okay, yes, we will prove. So just pause it and write down these details. Okay. Yes. See here, triangle, from this geometry there are two triangles, correct, na? Triangle BOC, triangle BOC, and triangle AOC. Okay, triangle AOC. 1 minute. Triangle BOD, not C, this is D. Okay, triangle BOD and triangle AOC. These two triangles are congruent. Okay, congruent because all sides are equal length is there. Okay, right. So now so these sides are equal, so that the length BD is equals to length AC or CA. So therefore BD, which is equals to AC or CA. Okay, BD, which is equals to CA or AC. So now call equation number 1. So here actually what BD is the distance between point B and D. So we need to calculate the distance between point B and D. Okay, here 2 points are there. We know distance between 2 point formula. Okay, distance between 2 point formula, what exactly? That is D is equals to square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So we need to use a result, that is distance between 2 point formula, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, here this is x1 y1 and x2 y2, distance between B and D, x1 y1 x2 y2. So how to write? See, so BD distance, which is equals to square root of y2 minus y1. So here y2 is this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1, that is sine of minus y minus sine of x. Next, x2 minus x1, cos of minus y minus cos of x whole square. Okay, by distance formula, so I am writing y2 minus y1. y2 is sine of minus y, so bracket sine of minus y minus y1 is sin x is there minus sin x, so whole square. Next, plus x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is cos of minus y, cos of minus y minus cos of x, that is x1 is cos of x whole square. So this is the distance between point B and D. So just expand it, which is equals to, so square root of sine of minus y. Actually sine of minus y is minus sine y, correct na? So sine of minus y is equals to minus sine y. So minus sine y minus sine x whole square plus, so here cos of minus y is, that is cos of minus theta, cos theta. So cos of minus y is cos y minus cos x whole square. So which is equals to square root of now a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is minus sine y whole square. Minus sine y whole square is actually, that is sine square y, correct na? Next plus b square. B square is minus sine x. Minus sine x whole square is, that is sine square x. Then next minus 2a. This is actually a minus b. We are applying a plus b whole square. A is minus sine 1 plus b is minus sine x. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 times of minus sine y into minus sine x. So minus into minus plus. So that 2 times of sine x into sine y. Okay. So here a is minus sine y, b is minus sine x. So a plus b whole square form. Then next here plus cos y minus cos x whole square, that is cos square y plus cos square x minus a minus b whole square formula, that is minus 2 cos x into cos y. Okay, minus 2 cos x into cos y. 1 minute. Yes. So minus 2 cos x into cos y. So which is equals to see square root of, observe here sin square x is there, here cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x is equals to, here sin square x, here cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Okay. Next here sin square y, here cos square y. Sin square y plus cos square y, again 1. So that 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 plus 1. Sin square y plus cos square y 1. Next sin square x plus cos square x is plus 1. Okay. And then next here 2 times of sin x into sin y minus 2 times of cos x into cos y. So write down plus, after taking 2 common, so this is sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y. Correct na? Here 2 times of sin x into sin y minus 2 times of cos x into cos y. Yes. So then here 1 plus 1 is, that is 2. So square root of 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, that is, so just take 2 common. Correct na? So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 times of sin x sin y minus cos x cos y. So don't take common term. Okay. Here 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 2 is there. Don't take common. Keep as it is. So now this is the distance between point B and D. Okay. This is the distance between point B and D. So that is square root of 2 plus 2 times of sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y. Okay. Then next, this is BD. Then we need to evaluate the distance between point A and C, that is AC. Okay. Just take on this, pause it and take. Okay. Pause ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So if differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ, sin square y, here cos square y, same. So here sin square x plus cos square x. So then next we need to evaluate the distance between A and C. Okay. Just remember BD is equals to square root of 2 plus 2 times of sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y. Okay, yes. Now AC, the distance between point A and C, that is square root of S. Here point A is 1 comma 0, point C is cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. So here now this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1 whole square. So y2 is sin of x plus y there. So here write down sin of x plus y, y2. Okay, y2 minus y1, y1 is 0, so 0 whole square plus x2 minus x1, x2 is cos of x plus y, so cos of x plus y minus x1 is 1 whole square. So this is by distance formula. So then next term is, so sin of x plus y minus 0 is sin of x plus y. So sin of x plus y whole square is sin square x plus y. Okay, next plus, here cos of x plus y minus 1 whole square. That means we need to use a minus b. Here a is cos of x plus y, b is 1. So that cos square x plus y, okay, cos square x plus y plus 1 square is 1 minus 2ab, that is 2 times of cos of x plus y, 2 times of cos of x plus y into 1, that is minus 2 cos of x plus y. Okay, yes. Then next, see, observe again here same, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square x plus y plus cos square x plus y. Angles are same, here x plus y. So that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So write down 1 plus 1 minus 2 times of cos of x plus y. So which is equals to under root of 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 times of cos of x plus 1. So this is the distance between point A and C, that is AC is equals to square root of 2 minus 2 times of cos of x plus 1. And we know that is BD is square root of 2 plus 2 times of sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y. So just equate these two in the equation number 1. Okay, pause it and write down. So now just equate AC. See, AC is square root of 2 minus 2 times of cos of x plus 1. Next step is substitute AC and BD in 1. Okay, that means in equation 1. So BD is actually, that is square root of, what actually we got, that is 2 plus 2 times of sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y equal to AC is, that is again square root of 2 plus 2 times of, 2 minus 2 times of cos of x plus y. The next step is squaring on both sides. The square root is there to remove square root, so we need to squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Okay, so that what actually we get, that is 2 plus of 2 times of sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y, which is equals to 2 minus of 2 times of cos of x plus y. Then here see plus 2, this plus 2 cancelled, so remaining plus 2 is equals to sin x sin y minus cos x cos y is equal to minus of 2 times of cos of x plus y, minus of 2 times of cos of x plus y. So again here this 2 and this plus 2 cancel, so remain here minus sign. Okay, so just multiply throughout by minus sign. So what exactly you will get? Otherwise, just write down sin x sin y minus cos x cos y, which is equals to minus of cos of x plus y, or just wait a minute. Okay, after cancelling 2, here minus sign is there, correct na? So multiply throughout by minus sign. So what will happen after multiplying minus sign throughout the equation? So that is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. So which is equals to minus of minus plus, so that cos of x plus y. So just rearrange the terms. So I will write the cos of x plus y to the left side. So that is cos of x plus y, which is equals to minus sin x sin y plus cos x into cos y there. So I will write cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So this is our actual result. That is cos of x plus y is equals to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin. The sphere 3 means the distance between BD and AC. We need to calculate and we need to equate. Then we need to equate because the triangles are congruent. Okay. So this is the derivation of cos of x plus y. So cos of x plus y is equals to, very important. So this is compound angle. That means two elementary angles x and y, just we need to add it. That is compound angle. So cos of x plus y is equals to cos of x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay. From this result, we need to derive some other results also. That means if we know cos of x plus y, definitely cos of x minus y, and sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y. This is the basic result, basic derivation. In exam, if they ask cos of x plus y, do it, all these things. Okay. If cos of x minus y, same thing, there is an extra. That means substitute in place of y minus y. You will definitely get cos of x minus y. Substitute in place of y is minus y. ಈ y ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus y put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ cos of x minus y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, we will see that one also. Okay, one minute. Okay, example derive cos of x plus y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, using cos of x plus y, definitely we need to derive cos of x minus y also. Either cos of x plus y ಕೇಳಲಿ or cos of x minus y or sin of x plus y or sin of x minus y. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು cos of x plus y up to here. Okay, and then next if they ask either cos of x minus y, so what exactly we need to do means just replace y by minus y. Okay, replace y by minus y. So cos of x minus y is equals to. Okay, from this result again we will derive sin of x plus y as well as sin of x minus y. One thing exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು cos of x plus y and then next results. Okay, so now using this we need to evaluate or through the sin of x plus y or cos of x plus cos of x minus y. Yes, we know that the result, that is now cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Correct na? Just now we proved. Just replace y by minus y. Replace y by minus y. So what actually? That is cos of x plus of, in place of y, write down minus y. So which is equals to cos x into cos of minus y minus sin x into sin of minus y. Okay. Yes. So this is cos of x plus into minus minus y. So cos of x minus y is equals to cos x into cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is equals to plus cos theta. So that cos of minus y is cos y minus sin x. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So that sin of minus y is minus sin 1. So minus of minus plus sin y. So cos of x minus y is equals to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. See, cos of x minus y is equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. And again, from this result, we need to derive sin of x plus y also. Correct, na? See. And that is sin of x plus y, which is equals to, see, sin of x plus y can be written as by using allied angle concept. How to write sine function in terms of cos? So sine is there, so we need to write in terms of cos means definitely ratio changes only for 90 and 270 degree, correct na? So that here I will write cos of pi by 2. Here sine is positive is there, correct na? So that pi by 2 minus, where sine actually positive, either first or second quadrant. So here I will take first quadrant, that is pi by 2 minus x plus y. Angle is x plus y. Okay. So cos of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant cos function is positive. So here plus sign is there. So here cos 90 degree is there. Definitely cos ratio changes to sin. So sin of x plus y. And then next, which is equals to cos of, see, just I will arrange the terms. That is pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Minus of plus minus y. Now this is of the form cos of x. This total term is treated as x minus y. So cos of x minus y formula again. So which is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus x into cos y plus sin of pi by 2 minus x into sin y. Right now? Which is equals to, yes, cos 90 minus x. So cos of 90 minus x is, that is sin x into cos y plus sin of 90 minus x is, that is cos x into sin y. So therefore sin of x plus y is equals to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Okay, sin of x plus y is equals to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. And then this is the third result. First one is cos of x plus y, then cos of x minus y. Third one is sin of x plus y, and lastly that is sin of x minus y. So how to find the sin of x minus y means just saying, that means just replace y by minus y. Replace y by minus y in sin of x plus y. Okay. So the third result, that is sin of x plus y, which is equals to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So replace y by minus y. So then sin of x minus y, which is equals to sin x into cos of minus y plus cos x into sin of minus y. So is equals to sin x into cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So that cos y. Next plus cos x into here sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So that sin of minus y is minus sin y, minus into plus, that is minus cos x into sin y. So that sin of x minus y is equals to sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. So these are the results. Okay. So from cos of x plus y, there are 4 results, that is cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. In exam, they will ask derive cos of x plus y or cos of x minus y, whatever. First you derive cos of x plus y result, and if they ask either sin of x plus y, prove that, or sin of x minus y. Okay, the theme idea gottaitalla. Yes. This is all about the compound angles. Okay, and sin of x plus y is 4, cos of x plus y is 4. Similarly, sin of x minus y, cos of x minus y, and then tan of x plus y and tan of x minus y. Okay. Yes. Alright. So next one is, that is tan of x plus y. Okay. The actually result tan of x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay. So how to prove that? This one means, see tan of theta. So tan of theta is equals to sin of theta divided by cos of theta. So your theta is x plus y there. So the tan of x plus y is equals to sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. So this is LHS. Okay. Now we know sin of x plus y expansion, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y divided by, so cos of x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, this is the formula. And then next, see, we need to prove here tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So here we need to 1. That means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So divide numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ. So ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ divide cos x into cos y numerator and denominator. Okay. Dividing cos x into cos y numerator and denominator. Okay. So what exactly we will get? That is tan of x plus y, which is equals to, after dividing, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So divide by cos x into cos y. Okay. Here also cos x into cos y whole divided by, so whole divided by cos x into cos y divided by cos x into cos y. So minus sin x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y. Okay. After that, so some of the terms will get cancelled. Here see cos y cancelled. Here cos x cancelled. Here completely cos of xy. Here sin y, no need. Okay. So sin x divided by cos x is sin x by cos x, that is tan x, plus sin y by cos y, that is tan y, divided by here 1 minus sin x by cos x is tan x into sin y by cos y is that is tan. So that tan of x plus y which is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan. Okay. So sin of x plus y is over cos of x plus y, sin of x minus y, cos of x minus y, and this is tan of x plus y. And lastly that is tan of x minus y. Take it as homework. Okay. Tan of x minus y is equals to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into y. Okay. Take this one as homework. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss some of the compound angles like cot of x plus y and cot of x minus y. Okay. And multiple angles and off angles. Okay. It's all about the compound angles. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you. Namaste.